Good morning everyone. I'm Tanya Jha, a student of 11th B, standing right here in front of you, and I am a student of Bhavra Devras Saraswati Vidya Mandir. Now I am going to showcase a presentation of art and integration of English subject. My name is Tanya and my topic for this is Meghalaya. As I have already mentioned here, the word Meghalaya literally means the abode of clouds in Sanskrit. Abode means the residence of clouds. So Meghalaya is also known as residence of clouds. As I have showed here the map of Meghalaya. So it's a state of Northeast India. Meghalaya was formed by carving out two districts from the state of Assam. The United Khasi Hills, Jaintia Hills and Garo Hills on 21st January 1972. As I have showed you a brief description of Meghalaya, that it's a state of country India. It's formed on 21st January 1972. Its capital is Shillong. Largest city of state Meghalaya is Shillong. It have 11 districts. Total area is 22,429 kilometer squares. Population is 2. Its rank is 22nd. Then its density is 130 per kilometer squares. Its literacy rate is 75.84%. So, some famous personalities of Meghalaya. Karen Shehnaz David. So, Karen Shehnaz David is a Canadian and British actress, singer, and songwriter who is best known for portraying Francesca Siska Montoya in the BBC television series. It's Darwin Dengdorper. He was the first Khasi chief Minister of Meghalaya State of Northern India. He was the General Secretary of All Party Heels Leader Conference. It's Amit Paul. He was born in Shillong, Meghalaya, India in 1982. He was born from a Bengali parents, Mr. Deepak Paul and Mrs. Jaya Paul. He is able to sing in many languages including Khasi, Nepali, Assamese, Bodo, Bagania and Telugu. She is Arundhati Roy. She was born on Friday, November 24, 1961 in Ceylon. She is a famous author for India of atheist religion. Her life in brief: being born on November 24, Arundhati is a Sagittus. Her ethnicity is Asian and Indian. She attended the Delhi School of Architecture. So now the food of Meghalaya. I've showed here some foods of Meghalaya: Dokhlai, Joda, Pamalo, Nakam Bichi, and the very famous momos. So some of the languages of Meghalaya. Khasi. So 33.82% people speak Khasi. And I would also like to tell you that Khasi is a tribe of Meghalaya. Then Garo, 31.60%. It's also one of the tribes of Meghalaya. Sinteng, Jaintia, English, and Haijong. English is the official language of Meghalaya. Next, traditional dresses. So I have showed here some traditional dresses of Meghalaya. Now, travel and tourism places of Meghalaya. Here it is. You can say these falls, these boarding places, and these all things. So thank you so much. I hope you love my presentation. Thank you so much.